अच्छा.
So, hello
Now the
everyone, dear Small Wonders moms. A very, very happy Mother's Day to everyone, and especially the mothers who have joined on this panel. Welcome, all my dear moms, and thank you so much for accepting to be on this panel on this Mother's Day. So, before we start the rapid fire question answer round, I would introduce all my dear moms to the audience. So, here on the screen, I'm able to see Jisha's mom, Dolly Padia. Hi, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am. How are you?
Ekdam fine, ma'am.
First of all, happy Mother's Day for being mother of so many kids, for handling so many kids, ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you. Then I can see Drishit's mom, Sheena, ma'am.
Hi.
Hello, ma'am.
Hi. How are you? Happy Mother's Day to everyone.
Thank you so much, ma'am. And Sheena, ma'am, I very well remember that you like to be called as baker. So I will, keep on telling that tagline with you. Thank you,
Thank you.
ma'am.
Thank you.
Then we have Tanshika's mom, Arushi, ma'am. Hello, ma'am. Arushi, ma'am, your mute button is on mute. You can unmute.
Okay. Yeah. Fine. Hello all. Happy Mother's Day to all of you. To all the
Thank
beautiful
you.
mothers, rather.
The best compliment that every mother will like to receive. Beautiful. Thank you so much, ma'am. Then we have Pranshi and Kiana's mom, Jarna ma'am. Welcome.
Hi, ma'am. How are you? Happy Mother's Day to all, and thank you. You are remembering both's name because they both are fond of you so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you. And then on this panel, we have Ada's mom. Ada's mom, welcome, Kanika ma'am.
Namaste. Thank you so much, everybody, and a happy Mother's Day to everybody. And once again, Harsha ma'am, thank you for always coming up with
Thank you
an
so
event to
much.
make everyone's day special.
Thank you, ma'am. And for others, mom, I would really like to mention one thing that last panel discussion when we had on Women's Day, I still remember the honesty that you had shown. So that is still on my mind. So today, I expect all the moms to be that honest when I shoot out the questions to you all. So I will start for the first round. I will go clockwise, and then in the second round, I'll go anti-clockwise. So first question here goes to Dolly ma'am. बहुत ही
Yes, ma'am.
simple question है. Mom का मतलब क्या होता है? What is the meaning of mom?
A mother is a person who carries her baby 9 months in her belly, 3 years in her arms, and love in her heart for the whole life, ma'am. Nobody can replace her. She only prays to God for their kids, not for herself. That is it, I would love to say. And all moms are very beautiful, very helpful for their children. Same.
Th- Thank you
Thank you,
so
ma'am.
much, ma'am. Very beautifully you put up the mother's definition. Sheena ma'am, I will come to you for this definition.
According to me, mother is not just a word, but it's a whole universe in itself. The glory of a mother cannot be defined in words. Nobody can love the way a mother does. Nobody can replace her. Nobody can take her place ever.
सो शीनम मैम मैं यहाँ पे ये बोलना चाहूंगी कि हर मम्मी को ये गलत फहमी होती है कि उससे अच्छा कोई नहीं है एंड व्हेन वी गिव आवर चिल्ड्रन इन समवन्स हैंड्स वी ऑलवेज आर स्कैर्ड कि ये हमारे जितना ध्यान नहीं
ध्यान
रखेंगे.
रखेंगे, सही बात है.
So very true, very rightly mentioned. Arushi ma'am, I'll come to you for the definition of mother.
Actually, definition in one sentence is very difficult, but still, according to me, a mother is a painter who beautifully fills all the colors of emotions in her kid.
So this
And
was
babies
such
are
a
the
creative definition. I cut you in between. I'm sorry, but I was very touched
no.
by the word that you mentioned that mother is a painter. A very creative definition. You can go further, ma'am.
Because we all know that babies are the most beautiful creation of God. So, according to me, she's a painter.
Wow, wonderful, beautiful. I'll come to Jarna ma'am. Jarna ma'am, what according to you is a mother?
Uh, my mom used to always tell me that क्योंकि भगवान सबके साथ नहीं हो सकता तो इसलिए उन्होंने एक एंजल भेजी है which is a mother. So according to me, a mother is an angel in itself. She is someone very unselfish. Nobody can be so unselfish like her. She's imperfectly perfect, and I think she loves endlessly, be
Wonderful.
with her children or a family. She is someone who makes the family, keeps the family bonded. So she in whole is everything.
Wonderful. So, this word angel, I will pick up and say that yes, definitely we all are angels. I don't know whether husbands in our homes believe that we are angels. The in laws in our families believe, believe it or no, I'm not sure. But definitely in our hearts, we believe. So, I'll come to Kanika ma'am. Kanika ma'am, according to you, what is a mother?
So I think mother is not a word; it's an emotion. There's so many aspects to it, and I think we always look at only the positive aspects of it, but there's always obviously there's two sides of a coin. So I think mother is an emotion which contains everything: happiness, sadness, anger, jealousy, love, hatred, everything. It's a big box of emotions that I think everybody goes through every day, and only a mother can know what she's going through.
Absolutely. And I will definitely second this thought because we cannot definitely define mother in one sentence, one page, because mother is not a word, it is an emotion. Beautifully said. Second question, Kanika ma'am, I will come to you only for this question. A mom, a
Right.
multitasker. How will you justify this sentence?
So I think a mother is a team leader. Just when you join a company, you always have like your workers under you, the teams under it. There's always a team leader. Whenever there's a problem, you'll go to your team leader. Like in an MNCs or in a law firm, it's always like, oh, you have a team leader and you go to the person. The same mother is a team leader. Everybody, from the baby to the mother-in-law to the father-in-law to the other grandmother-in-law or grandmother, anybody in the house, in the end, always goes to a mother because she's the driving force, whether it is supporting somebody in the family, whether it is giving an opinion, good or bad, whether it is standing by somebody. I think a mother does it all and does it with a lot of pride. Doesn't do it because karna padta hai. She does it because she wants to do it. And irrespective whether a woman is a mother or not, I think all women are multitaskers. So it's just inbred in us that, okay, we are a woman, so we can multitask. So as a mother, I think it just comes naturally.
Absolutely. And I would just like to add here, Kanika ma'am, that when it comes to fathers or males being multitasker, how will you justify that? Can they manage? Because most of the times, specifically in my home, if I tell my husband two, three things at a time, he'll say, Marathi nahi tha, I will not be able to do, you do it. So I think
Do it.
every one of us must be facing this situation because वो पल्ला झाड़ देते हैं कि मैं नहीं कर सकता.
हाँ. अरे
I
दिमाग से
think
निकल गया,
with
दिमाग से निकल गया.
I think with men, what it happens is they can multitask, but they know we are so good at it, and that we will find some imperfection with the way they have done the work. कि they like मेहनत क्यों करनी, मुझे पता है मैं ये करूंगा, उसके बाद वो फिर आके बोली कि ऐसे नहीं ऐसे करना था. So they just pretend to do something and then say I did it or you do it, because they know we are not going to like what they have done or not, be happy with the way the task has been executed. So I think because of that, they say, no, we can't multitask. You all only do it. So it's an easy way of getting out of the situation for them.
Absolutely wonderful. I'll come to Jharna ma'am for this question. Mother, a multitasker. How do you find it?
Ma'am, I think with motherhood, when you have a child in your womb, you find your strengths, and you get out of your fear. So with that, getting into that situation itself, you become a multitasker. You would like to take care of the child also, the house also, the family also, and in everything you would want to be so perfect. Like I would second Kanika's thought. Like she said कि अगर husband करना भी चाहेगा ना तो भी हमको लगेगा कि नहीं इसने बराबर नहीं किया है. So you know uh, husbands find a very easier way of saying कि ये हमको नहीं आता है. I always get a thought and say कि क्या हम थोड़ी सीख के आए थे. We have also learned to do it. We were not born with it. So yeah, like seconding Kanika's thought is that woman itself is a multitasker in everything. She can think like a man and also think like a woman in the same situation. So yeah, she's a total multitasker.
Absolutely. So I think the men who are listening to me will definitely, will not like what I'm telling, because, I'm not trying to put down the male, but actually males, they cannot multitask. So if we try and, teach them also, it is difficult. So the whole responsibility, or automatically, as you said, ma'am, कि हम भी सीख कर नहीं आए, but I think moms are fast learners because they
Yeah,
adapt to change very
absolutely.
fast.
Absolutely.
Thank you, ma'am. I'll come to Arushi, ma'am. Arushi, ma'am, for you, mom, a multitasker?
Yeah, it's the same. She's a caretaker because she takes care of her family, of her kids, of her elderly parents, in-laws, and at the same time, if she's working, I think she's all-rounder. I will
All
give
rounder.
this tag all-rounder, not even a multitasker. She's all-rounder.
Absolutely. So I think the new words I'm getting for a mother, a multitasker. What did you say, ma'am? I just forgot. All rounder.
All-rounder.
Absolutely. Thank you so much, ma'am. I will come to Sheenam, ma'am, for this, ma'am.
Okay, so I read it somewhere. Things kids ask their mom. Where is my food? Where are my shoes? I am hungry. I need this. Where is my bat? I need to go to pee. Please bathe me and whatnot. And things child asks his or her father, where is mummy? Because he or she knows कि ये सारा काम अगर कोई कर सकता है तो वो मम्मी ही कर सकती है.
So 1 point answer for every question in every home is mummy.
Where is mummy?
Correct. Correct.
Also, our brain is designed like that. I'll compare it to a browser with 1133 tabs all open all the time. क्योंकि हम करते करते भी कितना कुछ सोच रहे होते हैं हर चीज के बारे में. We have a day planned and we are doing things together. और ये हमसे अच्छा कोई नहीं कर सकता.
Absolutely, absolutely. So I'm liking, what about this panel, that everyone is so much fond of themselves that it's, driving all of us. So thank you so much for being so honest. Dolly, ma'am, to you. Your mic, ma'am.
Words can build them or break them. Mom, when I was small, I had some allergies like brinjals and that. Now, if Gaina asks me, Mama, tome mana banai de so, ha beta, kem nahi. Now, other people say, kya the allergy su thayo? But that is, we adapt all the things for our kids. That is, ke apne avdi jai agar badhu karta. We don't need to fear ke kem karisu, su karisu. So, the mother is a worst enemy also of a kid and the best friend also of a kid. So they share with us, they listen to us. So I think she's a multi-talented person.
Absolutely. मतलब मम्मी से झगड़ा भी उतना ही होता है और मम्मी को प्यार भी इतना ही करते हैं, because no word जो होता है, I think mom use this word more often than other members in the family. So I will now break the chain and I will come back to Arushi ma'am for the next question. Support from the family to the mother pre-COVID and during COVID, because during COVID, I'm sure that husbands and family members have started supporting, but pre-COVID, what was the support? Arushi ma'am?
From the husband side, it was zero because they are very much busy. It was zero actually. And from in-laws, it was good. Mother-in-law basically. She's after the kids all the time. तुझे ये चाहिए, तुझे ये चाहिए, तुझे ये बना दूं, तुझे ये कर दूं, आजा मेरे साथ मोबाइल देख, आजा मेरे साथ वीडियो देख. And then again I have to say, नहीं मम्मी, अभी वीडियो नहीं, अभी मोबाइल नहीं. Give them some rest. So it's like that. Before COVID and after COVID, when my husband got free, he used to play some outdoor and indoor games. So at least
that was a little help that he could, taking care of
sparing few hours for my kids.
So few hours or few minutes, ma'am, I would like to just know that.
Few hours.
Okay.
Few hours.
Wonderful.
So that was quite a help. Yeah, he did.
Absolutely. For hours, अगर बच्चों का कोई ध्यान रखे तो उससे ज्यादा help कोई हो ही नहीं सकती. So that is a big help. Absolutely. Jarna ma'am, to you, support from the family.
For me, ma'am, the situation has been almost same, be it during COVID or pre-COVID. Friend of my children is Dada and my husband. Bhavesh. So Bhavesh, after coming from factory, he plays with them, whether jumping in the house. So I have a third kid then in the
Oh.
evening, and for handling and taking care of the kids, I have my mother-in-law. So it's like she tries to do everything. Of course, she's a mother, a grandmother. She would like to help me in the kitchen also, would like to take care of the kids also. So basically, I have a, not a mother-in-law, I have a mother with me after marriage
Wonderful.
also. She would want me to sit and, do my own work, and she would always tell me to, be independent and do whatever I want rather than getting into kitchen and household work. But yeah, it's like after COVID, the situation has changed a little bit. Was that Bhavish was helping me in the household chores, so that was an added advantage after COVID. But yes, the situation is the same because I cannot be friend to my kids. I cannot play with them. That's the biggest regret that I have. But yes, he completes it completely.
Wonderful. So when you mentioned about 3 children in the evening, I will second that by saying that I have 3 children all the time. The ages of my children is 46 years, 22 years, and 7 years. So I have them round the clock.
That's
So
wonderful.
I got
I
married,
think
and then
it's
my
the same
husband has
for us.
transferred.
Yeah, it's the same.
So, thank you so much, Jarna ma'am. Kanika ma'am, for you, support.
So I've never lived with my in-laws. I got married and I think we lived in Chandigarh for 10 days and we moved to Ladakh. I was there and then we moved to Chennai. So as the project kept changing, we kept moving and now we are here. So I've never had a chance to live with them, but over the phone, the support has always been there. And for, I think where Vishal is concerned, it's been the same throughout. The only difference I think now is that he realizes how much Ada talks. Like when Ada can't stop talking, he look at me and say, तुम सारा दिन ये झेलती हो? मैंने कहा हाँ मैं सारा दिन ये झेलती हूँ. इसमें सारा दिन ये इतना ही बात करती है. मैंने कहा हाँ. He said मतलब ये रुकती नहीं है. I said no. So he's realized, when there were times I would say I'm mentally tired. And he said, what do you mean by you're mentally tired? I said there are too many questions to answer and I don't know half the answers. So I think that has changed. He's realized how curious she is and how grown up kids now these days are with their questions. So I think that was a little bit of a shock to him कि ये ऐसे सवाल क्यों पूछ रही है. But other than that, I think the situation's been always the same for me. He's been supportive before COVID also and right now also. But like I think everybody agrees, दो बच्चे हैं अब. वो तो हमेशा ही होता है. All husbands are kids. So I think वो दो बच्चे हैं. But Ada is more mature than my husband during this time because she still has things to do and Vishal doesn't. But yeah, I think support's been pretty much the same throughout for me.
So this line also I will take from you that your child is much mature than your husband, and I'm sure everyone sitting here and listening to us will connect to this. That yes, children. वो मैंने अभी थोड़े दिन पहले एक पोस्ट डाला था कि मेरे बच्चे ज्यादा परेशान कर रहे हैं या मेरी सास के बच्चे ज्यादा परेशान कर रहे हैं. And the voting was 100 ने वोट किया था, उसमें 99 लोगों ने बोला कि सास के बच्चे ज्यादा परेशान कर रहे हैं. So it is the case is same everywhere. So Sheena ma'am, to you, I will come with this question.
Okay, so once we become a mother, things change upside down. So I think the only person in the house who can relate to it is our mother-in-law because she's been through it. और वो कहते हैं ना कि मूल से ज्यादा ब्याज प्यारा. So we get tired, we get irritated, but they are the one जो बोलते नहीं हम कर लेंगे, हम खिला देंगे. So they are more than husbands. It is the mother-in-law जिनका support रहता है बच्चों को बड़ा करने में, to give them good upbringing. And because of COVID, मैं बस ये बात के लिए खुश हूँ because now people in the house, they realize how much work we have and how much work we do every day. And I am lucky, my husband is a damn good cook. So kitchen में भी help रहता है, बच्चों के साथ भी help रहता है. So with COVID, situations have gone better at my place. And at least with COVID, I have 2 kids. पहले 3 थे, पर अभी 2 है because husband is very supportive.
So here, Sheena ma'am, really, I feel little jealous, when you mentioned that your husband is a good cook, because my husband cannot even bring a glass of water. If I tell him no, believe me, he will not do that. He will spill that water halfway. So I'll definitely, provoke my husband and give him little inspiration that देखो लोगों के घर में husbands खाना भी बनाते हैं. So let me see how far I can take it. Dolly ma'am.
हमको पूछते हैं घर पे आके काम क्या होता है पूरा दिन, थक जाते हो. Now they come to know what work we have. તો માય ડોટર સે
Absolutely.
પપ્પા તમારે એક જ કામ કરવાનું, મમ્મીને શાંતિથી લવ કરવાનું, એટલે મમ્મી બધું કરશે. Don't booze on her, don't tell her, but she helps me, Gena help me, everybody help me. But living alone, sometimes we feel that family is needed in this stage like this.
Absolutely.
Family સાથે હોય તો time spends like anything, but being alone, time never goes. So family is very important, plays a very important role. It's not only important, but it's everything. Family is
It's everything. Absolutely. I agree to that. Now I will again break the chain and I'll come to Kanika ma'am for this question. Mom and dad partnership. So this is regarding taking care of the children. This is regarding doing their homework, attending the parents teachers meeting, babysitting at times, taking decisions for them. So this is that kind of a partnership. So mom 100, dad 0, mom 80, dad 20. You can figure it out for yourself.
I think for my case, it's mom is 60 and father is 40. So I think it is generally 50-50, but I am taking 10% extra credit because I work from home. So I have the opportunity of sitting at home and being able to do things for her, which Vishal can't do sitting from Alang. But I think with most cases, being physically present, it's easy. But being mentally present for the child is a little difficult. So if I talk about being the physical presence of doing physical things like nilana, homework karana, babysit karna, तो mom dad 50-50 कर सकते हैं, 60-40 कर सकते हैं. But when it comes to the mental and emotional availability, I think it becomes 30-70, 70% ma and 30% father. Because I think most of the cases, since I'm at home, it's easier for Radha to talk to me and it's easier for me to understand what she's going through. I don't think it's the husband's fault or the father's fault because वो घर पे होते नहीं है सब देखने के लिए. But and I think it's easier for kids to talk to their parents. I don't know how it works with both parents working, mother and father. I'm sure it's still hacker ending of the day में माँ के पास ही जाएगा बच्चा before going to the father, because the father obviously has things at the back of the mind as well. So physically 60-40 या 50-50 रख लो, but mentally तो 100% माँ 70 और father 30% है.
But very beautifully you have balanced the father's role in this. Huh? So I'm sure that the fathers who are listening to us will say कि कोई नहीं तो कोई नहीं, at least कनिका मैम तो समझते हैं कि fathers का fault नहीं है, वो करना चाहते हैं पर कर नहीं पाते हैं. So very nicely, you sugar coatedly, praise the fathers. Thank you so much, Kanika ma'am. Janna ma'am, to you.
Ma'am, in my case, I would rather say it is 50-50 because in certain situations when I'm angry or on Franchi or for that matter, Kiana, he's the one who's there to pacify. So that's the biggest role that, any parent could play. And, since I already told you, I cannot, be a friend to them for playing, for jumping all over the house. He does it. So when he is doing that, he is with the kids and that time I can do any other work that I want to. So he's keeping the kids busy, and that's the biggest part any mother could want. She would get her me time also. That's what a mother looks for now. At least I look out for me time, even if it is after 12 o'clock, I look out for that time. So he is the one who makes the kids go to sleep. So yeah, it can be 50-50, but yeah, like Kanika said, थोड़ा 10% तो ले ही सकते हैं मैम, क्योंकि पढ़ाना, नहलाना एंड होमवर्क करवाना, अगर नहीं करवाने का मूड हो तो भी, तो वो सब भी हमको ही देखना. और या मैम अगर रात को तबीयत ठीक नहीं हो तो भी नहीं उठना हो तो भी, तो वो सब चीजें तो मदर्स ही करती हैं यूजुअली. सो या
वो 10% तो हक बनता ही है. पर मैं यहाँ पर एक सीक्रेट बताऊं झरना मैम कि ज्यादा अगर क्रेडिट उनको देंगे ना तो आई थिंक दे विल गेट मोटिवेटेड एंड दे विल ट्राई टू डू मोर. सो आई थिंक I am trying to figure out that way, because I then keep on praising Girish. Okay, you do this so nicely, you only do it, so that is how I drag him to do the things. So sometimes it is I feel that if I'm taking 70% of responsibility also on paper, I will mention that I'm taking only 30%. Credit लो, खुश रहो और काम करो. आरुषि मैम, I will come.
मैम लेकिन आज का दिन तो मुझे लगता है भावेश के लिए बहुत अच्छा होने वाला है मैम, क्योंकि उसको लगता है कि I am going live and I'm praising him in certain ways, so he is going to be very happy.
Arushi ma'am?
In my case, it's 60-40, 60 for me and 40 for him. Actually, like Kanika said, he does not have time. He is in very busy schedule. So he wants to do, but he can't. तो अगर ऐसे वो फिजिकल एस्पेक्ट्स की बात करें, नहलाना धुलाना पढ़ाना, उनको क्लासेस में छोड़ना या कुछ भी करना, तो इट्स लाइक 60 फॉर मी. बट फॉर द प्लेइंग पार्ट और फॉर द involving or taking somewhere out, and during the night time, actually I want to tell you something. Just when they were born, my kids were born, during night time I was so tired, I never used to get up to pacify them. Just for the feeding purpose, and that's it. And after that, my husband took over, and he used to pacify them in his arms, and then he made them sleep. That's it. So
तो
that was a
मेरे
great
जैसा
help.
कोई है दुनिया में मैम. मुझे ऐसा लगा था कि मैं ही ऐसी हूँ जो रात को गिरीश को ये बोलती हूँ कि at night, you know, I
नहीं,
will not do anything. So I think
I
there is
will not
someone else
yes.
also.
Whether he is sick, whether she is sick, he vomits or anything, he takes care of that.
So nice, so
So
nice.
for the whole day, yeah, for the whole day, I take care of the kids for their studies thing or classes or whatever. So it's like 60-40, and it
And
can
I
be
think
50-50, but they don't have time. They don't have
yeah,
time.
so that
So
10%
it's
as
not their
Kanika
fault,
ma'am
as
has
Kanika
very
said. Yeah.
selfishly taken. You all also are taking that 10%. But you know, this generation parenting, what I have found is that really, if you go to see the partnership, it is 50-50 to hai hi. Because if we go to see हमारे जो parents थे उस time की parenting, it was not that our parents never wanted to love us or never, but वो culture ही नहीं था. So the
Culture
parents
नहीं
of this generation understand parenting very, 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 very much than our parents used to
even
understand.
boys,
You know?
yeah, mothers are the
Absolutely.
same, but boys are understanding better.
Yes,
Boys are
yes, that is
they are
what I have seen in
cooperating.
this culture. Yes,
Hmm,
because हमारे जमाने में मतलब our parents, हमारी parents meeting में आना, so it was a mom's job, and at times, you know, moms भी
yeah,
इतना time नहीं निकाल सकती थी, but
नहीं
the
निकाल
generation is
सकते.
changing. Wonderful, wonderful.
They are
Sheenam ma'am, to
contributing.
you,
Boys want to contribute.
absolutely.
In my case, the scenario was 60 me and 40 him, but I pushed the bar and I by nagging continuously, तुम ये करो, तुम वो करो, तुम ऐसे नहीं करते, तुम वैसे नहीं करते, कर करके I've reached it to 50-50.
Cooking तो करते ही हैं, अब इससे ज्यादा तो कुछ नहीं कर
Just
सकते.
that is just abhi COVID के time पे, because I am busy, so he helps me with it. But as Arushi said, always since the time I give birth to my elder one, रात को 11 बजे के बाद अपनी ड्यूटी खत्म. I don't do
खत्म.
anything post 11. Kids ask for milk, the younger one wants to sleep, anybody is crying, किसी ने सुसु किया, कुछ भी किया, अपनी ड्यूटी खत्म. So मैं मेरे साइड से तो 100% it is 50% contribution of my husband's. And yeah, 50% mera for the basic needs. For example, it is yesterday's thing, I had orders, I was busy, so I told Manish कि आप उसको please online classes उसकी है, आप उसको करवाओ. Once the classes were done, I asked him कि Drishit कुछ homework मिला? He's like पता नहीं. I asked my husband कुछ homework था उसको? He's like इसने तो headphones पहने थे. Then I asked, I'm like, what's happening? I said, Drishit, आपने headphones क्यों पहने थे? He's like, नहीं मम्मी पापा झूठ बोल रहे, पापा सो गए थे. So I get the point कि basic काम तो हमें ही करना पड़ेगा, homework हमें ही कराना पड़ेगा, नहलाना, खिलाना and all that. But for the 50% of time when we need sleep, we need to rest, they take over. And if they don't take over, we push them कि करो.
I like this honesty. अगर नहीं करेंगे तो करवाएंगे हम.
करवाएंगे.
Wonderful. Dolly ma'am?
Saying in words of percentage is very difficult. At night बच्चे तो 100% पापा के ही होते हैं. जितना भी कर लो रात को आते हैं, हाँ पापा आ भी गया, पापा आ भी गया. So in my case it is like 80-20. अभी lockdown में he has helped me very much. Like it is I'm just 40 and he's 60 because kids के साथ रहना, उनके साथ time spend करना because we are busy with work everything. लेकिन saying percentage is very difficult क्योंकि it depends on day by day. रोज कुछ नया लेके बच्चों को कुछ चाहिए तो पापा important है. कुछ खाना है तो
Correct.
मम्मी important है. So every day there is not a stability in that percentage. So it's my
It
goes
keeps
on.
varying. Wonderful, wonderful,
Varying, exactly.
wonderful.
Thank you,
So
ma'am.
now my question is to Jarna ma'am. I'll start with you. The best quality as a mother you like about yourself?
Ma'am, when it comes to talking about myself and praising about myself, I am wordless. I have no words. Okay, if you're giving me that opportunity, I would really like to take it. But yes, I think I put my 100% that every mom would do. But I am happy that I take care of her
But any
studies or
one specific quality that you like about yourself as a mom? One quality.
specific is that I cannot. I push my child, like for Pranshi especially, push her to learn good things and learn new things. Like she's learning chess right now online, and I sit with her so that even she gets motivated. She usually is a person who needs to be pushed. She's a bit sensitive, so these days when online classes are going on, she's not ready to do her PT classes or yoga classes, so I do it with her,
So I
though I
think
know it.
encouragement is the quality that you love about
Yes,
yourself.
yes,
Correct.
though I know I it would benefit me also by doing yoga. I cannot fish out time for that, but yes, she gets motivated, and yes, you can say
Thank you.
encouragement is the quality.
Thank you so much. Kanika ma'am?
So I think the best quality that I have amongst the many is
Amongst the
basically,
many.
basically I think
Many.
I treat Ada as an individual and not a part of me. Like I think a lot of for me at least it is something that I want her to be Ada Soni. I don't want it to be like, acha, you're like Kanika, or you're like Vishal, or you're like your Nana, or you're like your Dada. These are qualities that obviously they inherit, but I want her to be an individual. So like somebody asked me and Vishal that day, ke, what would you want Ada badi hokar kya bane? So Vishal's like, mera bus chale to Air Force pilot. And he was like, what do you want her to be? वो बड़ी हो जाए तो I said I want her to be a happy human being. बस they're like, नहीं कुछ तो सपने होंगे. मैंने कहा वो उसके सपने होंगे, मेरे सपने उसके वो सपने नहीं हो सकते. I'm never going to force her or tell her. So I think that's my best quality, that I want her to be an individual, think an individual, and learn from her mistakes. I've been somebody who's made a lot of mistakes in my life, whether it has been my career choices earlier, switching careers, switching my jobs, everything. But the way it has been at home, it's the same. I want to take it forward कि वो तुम्हारी गलती है, तुम मुझसे सीखो. तुम्हारे बच्चे और गलतियां करेंगे, वो उनको उनकी गलतियों से सीखने दो. डोंट टेल देम कि मैंने ऐसे किया था, मेरे साथ ऐसा हुआ तो उसके साथ भी होगा. You don't know the outcome of something. So I think we should let them think as individuals, let them be, and not treat them like I mean, yes, they are a part of you that everybody knows and you cannot change that. But I think some individuality is very important, and I think I let that be. So I
And I
think
will
that's a good
just add
quality.
here, Kanika ma'am, that when you are wanting your children to be individual, it is a very courageous decision to make, because a lot of responsibility with liberties come in this set, So it's very
Yeah.
important that parents really have to think that way, because हमारे सपने उनके सपने हो नहीं सकते, हम थोप नहीं सकते. So very nicely you mentioned. Thank you so much. Arushi ma'am?
Ma'am, one thing I like about myself is that I like to keep my kids in discipline a little bit. I try to keep them in discipline. So that is the thing, because discipline is very much needed in your life to accomplish anything, whatever they want
Correct.
to. So that
So
is
this
the
is the
thing
quality that you like about yourself. I will now add one more question, that now this quality, how much the children are accepting? This is the count
they
question
are
now.
yes, they are accepting I think 70 to 75% of it, because kids are kids after all.
Absolutely, absolutely.
But I
So
respect
Sheena,
that. I respect that.
thank you so much. Sheena ma'am, your mic, Sheena ma'am, your mic is on mute.
Yes. I have recently discovered that quality is that I'm an amazing playmate to them. I can play with the younger one as well and the elder one as well. मैंने मनीष को, मैंने उनके friends को, मैंने सबको पीछे छोड़ दिया है. Because the way I can play with them, hide and seek, and what nonsense, I don't know what nonsense things these kids play, kaun se cartoons, what we play all day. I'm an amazing playmate.
So you are a playful mom. This quality you like about yourself.
Yeah.
Wonderful. Dolly ma'am?
As a mother, I think cheering your kids is very important. Being on their back and standing beside them so that don't feel alone. अभी बच्चे बोलते हैं मॉम बॉयज के साथ खेलने जाओ, हाँ जाओ, लेकिन यू शुड एक्सप्लेन देम के वे यू शुड बी, व्हाट मेजर्स यू शुड टेक. So that is, I think, we should cheer our kids. We should not tell, don't do that. You should do that. But with this system, you should do that. You should play everything. You should go everywhere. But with some ethics in the life. Beta, this will harm you. This will not harm you. So I can explain better to my kids. I think so. And my kids listen to them. Especially Gehna is grown up, but she listens and she shares as a parent to me कि mama हुआ करो, mama हुआ ना करो. So I feel proud कि she at least asked me before doing that. Thank you, ma'am.
Wonderful. So I'll come to Arushi ma'am with this question now. One quality that you don't like as a mother about yourself.
Yes, I'm sometimes very much rude to them. So that is out of irritation or frustration or whatever you can say, but sometimes I'm being rude to them. So that is the thing I don't like, and I regret it a lot.
Okay,
Later on.
so wonderful. I think we all will accept this some point of time, because in 24 hours, at least 2-3 baar to it triggers and, it just comes out of us. So it's a natural quality, ki jo mothers ki hoti hai, but it's nice that at least we accept that this is the thing that we don't like about ourselves. So Sheenam ma'am, to you for this question.
One thing I don't like about the quality is being selfless all the time. After we became mother, हम सबके साथ ये हुआ that things have changed and we don't think about ourselves. हम अपनी bodies नहीं देखते हैं, हम अपना time, अपना food, we just don't take care of ourselves. We forget कि अगर हम ठीक रहेंगे तो हम सबका ध्यान रखेंगे ना. So to be selfless is fine, but there should be a limit to it and we should also put forth ourselves along with them. हमें हमारे लिए भी थोड़ा time निकालना चाहिए. Being a little selfish is not bad, which I am trying honestly, but it's very difficult for all of us क्योंकि हमने ऐसे पहले से कभी किया ही नहीं. But now is the time कि हमें थोड़ा time अपने लिए निकालना बहुत जरूरी है, to be a little selfish.
So here, what happens, ma'am, when we try to be selfish, as a mom, वो guilt थोड़ा सा अंदर आ जाता है. बहुत ज़्यादा. फिर ऐसा लगता है कि बच्चों के साथ, we are doing this wrong. We are taking our time for ourselves, and this is the time for the children. So I think if we can overcome this guilt, definitely we can be a little selfish and take care of ourselves. So this is a very important point. I think selfless hona with a balance of being little selfish for yourself is going to be a good composition of a mother, because if a mother is not happy from inside, I don't think she will be a happy mother outside as well. So it is very important to take out that time and invest wherein you can, deliver to be a happy mother. So thank you so much for this point. Jharna ma'am, to you with this question.
Ma'am, I would like to continue what Sheenam said is that, as a mother, I'm never satisfied. I always feel that, I have not done this right. I have not done that right. कुछ ना कुछ मतलब कुछ बाकी रह जाता है. So I always have that guilt, but I would try to eliminate it. Another thing is that, I lose on temper very frequently with them. Because I have two different, personalities. Kiana is very naughty, though she is very charming, and Pranshi is very silent, and she is very obedient. So dealing with the both different personalities is a bit difficult. So I lose out on temper, and I always remember Pranshi saying that Pranshi had a Hindi composition in first standard on Ma. तो उसमें एक लाइन थी मैम कि मेरी मम्मी मुझे रोज रात को अच्छी कहानियां सुनाती है, which she used to say, मेरी मम्मी मुझे कभी भी अच्छी कहानियां रात को नहीं सुनाती है. क्योंकि मेरी मम्मी को टाइम नहीं है. सो टिल डेट शी सेज कि आप मुझे कभी स्टोरी नहीं सुनाते हो सोने से पहले, या आप मेरे को हमेशा प्रॉमिस करते हो कि आज अभी सो जाओ कल. So, you know, as I'm saying again and again, I'm not a good, friend to them. I am a total mother. So yeah, that is what I don't
The
like.
quality.
Yeah,
Wonderful.
that's the quality I don't like.
Dolly ma'am, to you for this question.
Ma'am, I don't like for myself is that I'm so perfect. In Gehna case, it was working, but in Jisha's case, it is not working at all. So
वो
I
ऐसा
compare
होता है
her.
डॉली मैम, बच्चे
हाँ.
में भी दो क्वालिटीज होती हैं, जैसे प्रांशी का
हाँ.
बताया दैट, जैसे
हाँ.
मेरा पहला बेटा ही वो सो साउंड एंड सो कूल, तो मुझे
हाँ.
ऐसा लगता
हाँ.
था कि दुनिया के सारे बच्चे ऐसे ही होते हैं. एंड व्हेन आई सॉ अदर चिल्ड्रन थ्रोइंग टैंट्रम्स, तो मुझे ऐसा लगता था ऐसे बच्चे भी होते हैं. बट देन गॉड टोल्ड मी दैट वेट एंड वॉच, वन इज गोइंग टू कम. सो आफ्टर
Exactly.
16 years आई हैड वन एग्जांपल, वन आइटम इन माय हाउस. नाउ आई नो कि टैंट्रम्स कैसे थ्रो होते हैं, हाउ मॉम्स फील.
So when she goes out, na, उनको गहना नो केवी रीते सजाती थी, रखती थी. Why are you not doing all this thing? Mama, she is Gehna, I am Jisha. I don't like to wear these things. Don't boost your orders on me. Let me live my life. She is saying like that. So I'm really, and the other thing is, what they speak, I just give them. Like they ask for mama banai do, olu banai do, but when they go outside na, they face problems, like they don't eat dry nashta. So sometimes I feel ke I should make them comfortable for all situations, ke bahar jai to they can have some dry nashta also, but kai garam ne garam joye thepla pauma, because I have made them eat hot items only. So I feel sometimes my husband says કે ડોલી થોડુંક રિલેક્સ રાખીને એ લોકોને થોડુંક શીખડાવ કે બહારનું બ્રેકફાસ્ટ કરે, આ કરે.
તો ઘણીવાર
So, but I
પરફેક્શન
can't.
છે ને એ પણ નડતું હોય છે, because we are
Exactly.
over perfect, એટલે that is a hurdle.
Exactly.
So thank you so
Thank you,
much.
ma'am. Thank you,
Kanika
ma'am.
ma'am, to you with this question.
I think I'm in the wrong panel. I have all overachiever moms in the group. Because if I have to talk about my quality that I don't like, is that I'm a very lazy mother. એટલે there are times when Ada will say, "Mummy, susu," and I'm like, "कोई और है, ले जाओ इसको, मैं नहीं उठती यहाँ से." And then she's looking at me like, "Mummy, susu," and I'm like, "Oh, sorry, हाँ." Then I'm right now in my mom's house. So I'll tell Mummy, जाओ ना. She's like, "Really, beta?" I said, "Mummy, जाओ ना, please." So I mean, it comes to a point where sometimes, I mean, I don't like it about myself, because like Sheenam said, she's a very good playmate. I can play to a certain extent. After that, I'm like, ab kya? Like, I don't know what else to play with them or do with them. Touchwood, Ada is very self sufficient. वो एक कोने में कोई 2 blocks लेकर या एक hair brush लेके या कुछ लेकर, she'll start playing something. So I think either she's realized कि मेरी माँ से तो नहीं होने वाला, मैं खुद ही अपने आप को entertain कर लेती हूँ, तो वो self sufficient हो गई है, या तो वो पहले से थी, I don't know which one it is, but I'm super lazy. So and that sometimes I feel bad. Like I think Ada has capabilities that I have not explored, because मुझे उसको वहाँ लेके जाना पड़ेगा. Like my dad keeps saying वो बहुत अच्छा piano बजाती है, उसको classes भेज दे. मैं हाँ मैं ले जाऊंगी. So it becomes like, अच्छा हाँ ठीक है, मैं ले जाऊंगी eventually. So I think that is a very bad point, and I'm trying to work on it. That I don't want her to miss out on things because I don't push her enough for it. So yeah, I don't like that about myself.
But Kanika ma'am, I will really give you a company in that, because I also am lazy at times, so I also look around if Piyu is asking for something, है कोई है तो कर दे तो बहुत अच्छा है. If no one is there, अरे यार ये धरती का पूरा बोझ मेरे पर ही क्यों है? So next question, thank you ma'am. Next question to Sheenam ma'am. Your children are whose replica?
My kids are a perfect blend because both of them, they look exactly like me, but they act exactly like my husband. उनको खाना भी वही पसंद है जो वो खाते हैं. Their posture, their way of talking, they are him, but मेरे रूप में, because they look exactly like me.
और इसमें क्या है पता है, मेरे साथ क्या होता है, जब बच्चे अच्छे होते हैं, I'll tell my husband जो मारा जेवाचे, and when they are not like that, I'll say, Girish, they have gone on you only. So how many of you agree to this point? Dolly ma'am, I'll come to you for this.
All of us.
Same here ma'am. बड़ी मेरे जैसी है. Gehna is like me, perfect, and छोटी उसका चलता रहता है डैड के जैसा. लेकिन आई एम हैप्पी कि शी इज इवन फ्लॉन्टिंग सम थिंग्स, लाइक डिस्कवरिंग सम थिंग्स, छोटी वाली. but बड़ी मेरी जैसी और छोटी पापा जैसी on father's
Wonderful.
family and बड़ी on my
Wonderful.
family. Thank you. ma'am.
Arushi ma'am, to you I will come with this question.
My elder son, Ridhan, he's the adult version of my husband. Very mature, sincere. And my younger daughter, Tanshika, she is the childhood version of my husband.
Wonderful,
वो
wonderful.
naughty and throwing tantrums and suddenly वो एकदम से सब कुछ पूरा घर सिर पे उठा लेती है. So
So
मैं यही
again,
बोलती हूँ कि
again,
मैंने
very rightly, you have put your daughter, with your husband, throwing tantrums, किसी का सुनती नहीं है. So you know that all
नहीं है.
husband. So हमने तो कभी tantrums throw ही नहीं किए हैं, नहीं?
But not like her. As my mom says कि तू इतनी जिद्दी नहीं थी जितनी ये है. और ऐसे
So husband
पैर
तो थे
पटक
ही.
के नहीं कर. हाँ, वो उनकी मम्मी ने मुझे बोला कि वो ऐसे थे.
Wonderful,
So it's like that.
wonderful. Jarna ma'am?
मैम एक्चुअली वी हैव डिवाइडेड, किसी को भी बुरा ना लगे, एक तेरे पे एक मेरे पे, कोई बोल ना सके कि दोनों तेरे पे गई है. सो प्रांशी इज जस्ट लाइक मी एंड कियाना इज जस्ट लाइक भावेश. प्रांशी
नहीं,
ट्राइज
मतलब
टू
इसमें भी आपने अच्छे से डिवाइड किया है. समझदार बच्चा मम्मी पे और जो परेशान कर रहा है वो बच्चा पापा का. So very
नहीं
nice.
मैम,
Very
एक्चुअली कियाना इज नॉटी बट शी इज वेरी चार्मिंग. मतलब अगर वो कुछ मस्ती कर भी जाती है तो वो देख के हंसी आ ही जाती है मैम उसमें.
नहीं, I understand that sugar coating. I can understand कि charming और naughty में को combination समझ रही हूँ मैम, बहुत अच्छे से समझ रही हूँ.
So Pranshi tries to be perfect. अगर कुछ मैम कल की बात है, Kiana loves to do coloring, तो स्केच पेन का एक ढकना गुम हो गया तो वो Pranshi started crying कि नहीं मुझे चाहिए ही. And so that is how it is. And Kiana को अगर नया कलर का बॉक्स दे दो तो वो 2 मिनट में गुम हो जाएगा. तो Kiana is like that, Pranshi is like that. But yes.
So Kanika ma'am, to you with this question.
So I have one kid, so we can't even divide के एक तेरा एक मेरा. But I think मेरे केस में issue ये है कि उसका nature मेरा और विशाल जैसे, पर वो दिखती मेरी बहन जैसे. So
Okay.
everywhere we go, it has become like तुम्हारा ही बच्चा है. हाँ भाई हमारे बच्चा. Me and my husband are on the heavier side, and she's this much, like literally this much. So my father-in-law would always tease me, तुम सारा खाना खा जाते हो उसका? I was like, yes पापा, हम सारा उसका खाना खा जाते हैं, So she looks a lot like my sister, and she has the aspect of studying goes on my sister. So मेरे को वो एक बहुत अच्छा लगता है कि हाँ ठीक है पढ़ती रहती है, तो उसको अच्छा लगता है पढ़ना. उसको मम्मी आज मैथ्स होमवर्क करना है, कर लूँ. हाँ प्लीज प्लीज करो. So that she takes after my sister. But when it comes to being the people person, socializing, and making friends, that she takes after me and my husband. So हमारे में 3 में divided है. मेरी बहन भी included है इस system में. तो हम 3 लोग हैं जो उसके ऊपर claim लेकर बैठे हुए अभी.
Wonderful. So this is the last question on this panel, and I'll give this question to Sheenam ma'am. If you had one wish to ask, what would you ask? It can be for anyone, not only specifically for children, but for anything.
That's a very tough question. We have a lot of wishes, but one wish to ask. I would like to go back to my college days and my schoolmate days. I miss the person I was. I miss those times. I miss that me time and probably all my friends. I would like to go back to that time and be more of me, which I'm not right now.
Wonderful, wonderful. Dolly ma'am?
If God gives me one wish, I would tell him to give my kids the ability to know me, to see them with my eyes, so they understand how much I love them, and they don't go back in any of the situations. That is my wish. Thank you,
Wonderful, wonderful. Arushi ma'am?
Like Sheenam said, we have many wishes, but on Mother's Day, I would wish. Actually, I have a very strange wish for my kids. I want to reverse their age for one day only. I want to make them 6 months old baby whenever I want to, because that is the cutest age. That is the
Wonderful.
cutest age, and I want to live
Absolutely.
with them for one day, just for one day.
Wonderful.
But
Wonderful.
whenever I want to.
Whenever, अच्छा, so control also you want with yourself only कि जब मैं चाहूँ. भगवान एक विश दे भी रहा है और आपको वो विश ऐसे भी चाहिए कि जब मैं चाहूँ. Wow, this is a mother, you know, dominating on the God
Yeah.
also.
नहीं, during whole their life, मतलब however old they become, but for just one day.
Wonderful, wonderful. Kanika ma'am?
अगर मैं विश बोलूं तो आई थिंक ऑल वुमेन वांट द सेम विश के हम खाते रहो और मोटे ना हो. बट आई थिंक प्रैक्टिकल विश मुझे अगर चाहिए तो आई रियली विश आई हैड द सुपर पावर टू रीड माय डॉटर्स माइंड. आई थिंक चिल्ड्रन हैव सच ब्यूटीफुल क्यूरियस माइंड्स ना. मतलब the kind of questions they come up with, the imagination they have, the stories they build up, even उनके झूठ क्यूट लगते हैं क्योंकि उनके झूठ में इतनी अच्छी कहानी और बैकअप इतना अच्छा होता है ना कि उनका झूठ नहीं लगता. So I wish I could read their minds to know कि क्या चल रहा है, इतनी खिचड़ी पक रही है, क्या हो क्या रहा है उसमें, you know. So I wish I could do that. Impossible. I wish I could do that though.
Wonderful. I think everyone will agree to that because अगर ये हो जाए तो दुनिया में कुछ बाकी नहीं है. So Jharna ma'am, to you with this question.
I think somewhere or the other everybody would wish that कि काश 24 घंटे से ज्यादा और टाइम होता हमको after you become a mother, because it's like कि
24 घंटे से ज्यादा
वो ज्यादा है.
मैं कम करने की सोच रही हूँ. ज्यादा
मैम ज्यादा इसके लिए क्योंकि कैसा है ना मैम, अगर आफ्टर बीइंग अ मदर एंड यू नो गेट मदर ऑफ 2 kids एंड हैंडलिंग द फैमिली, यू फील दैट अपने आप को कहीं ना कहीं आप टाइम नहीं देते हो.
right.
You
So for me,
somewhere
time
fish
is
out
time.
time. Yes. So कैसा है मैम कि ना मदर भी अच्छा बनना है, अपने आप को भी आगे लेके आना है. You want to do everything basically. So we are not able to manage everything. So somewhere कहीं ना कहीं कुछ छूट जाता है. जैसे शीनम कह रहे थे कि you know going back to college time, giving yourself the time that you want. So basically for that थोड़ा और time अगर मिल जाता. So that is one wish that I want.
Wonderful, wonderful. So thank you, mommies, for giving out your time and being here on this panel and making this Mother's Day so, so special. One last closing comments from each one of you. और उसमें आप मेरा last question जो है उसको भी ले सकते हो. Because of time constraint, I'm not able to put that question. So closing comments में you can take that question. One thing that you would like to change in your children. So I will give this question first to Kanika ma'am.
I think I would want, if I have to change something in Ada, it would be I wish she could see how courageous she was and, you know, realize her potential. But she has a lot of fears, which I sometimes blame myself for because those are the fears I had and I still have. So I think I wish I could tell her, you know, things get difficult from here, not easier. You need to be a little stronger. So I wish मैं उसको थोड़ा और strong कर सकती थी. बट हम अभी भी सीख रहे हैं, मैं अभी भी सीख रही हूँ, मैं अभी भी रोज कुछ ना कुछ अपने बारे में सीखती हूँ. तो आई थिंक टाइम विल टेल अबाउट दैट, बट आई विश आई कुड यू नो टेल हर दैट इट्स ओके टू बी वीक एट टाइम्स, बट यू आर स्ट्रॉन्गर देन व्हाट यू थिंक यू आर, you know.
Wonderful, Kanika ma'am. Sheena ma'am, to you with this question.
One thing I would like to change in them is I would like them to be a little more patient and empathetic. किसी और की प्रॉब्लम को समझना और कुछ देर रुकना हर चीज के लिए, इतना रेस्टलेस नहीं हो जाना. एंड इट्स ओके अगर कुछ चीज नहीं भी मिली तो लेट गो एज वेल, कि कुछ चीजें जाने देना भी सिखाना जरूरी है. आई वुड लाइक देम टू चेंज बिकॉज बोथ ऑफ देम आर वेरी इम्पेशेंट, वेरी इम्पल्सिव. I think most of the kids these days are, but it's a very important aspect. थोड़ा patience चाहिए.
Chahiye, absolutely, absolutely. Jharna ma'am, to you with this question.
Ma'am, I think with Pranshi, I would want her to be, you know, strong. Not being sensitive is a good part. It's not, you know, bad or a bad quality. But thoda at times, you know, she cries. Situations को मैम समझना and you know not being weak or you know accepting. She is not someone who accepts. You know she always wants to be a winner. तो वो accepting that thing कि नहीं मैं भी हार सकती हूँ किसी situation में. That I want her to you know understand. And yes, with kids, I think we are expecting a lot for them to let go of things and being existing to certain situations. They would learn by time, by experience. Even we are learning right now. So yes, existing to certain situations and learning to let go of things, existing in many ways. So that is what I would want for them.
Absolutely. Arushi, ma'am?
One thing I want to change is that I want to keep them away from mobiles. I think
I will second
this
this.
is
I will
the
really second.
yes, because we are living in a digitalized age. Everywhere there's mobiles in everybody's hands, and the usage is very dangerous. So at least till the age of 20, 21, or 23, I want to keep them away from mobiles.
Wonderful, wonderful. Dolly, ma'am?
Gehna don't need any change, but Jisha needs, especially on face. She tells everybody. So I want she should change a little bit. Beta, don't speak like this. She will directly say, Mama, this is not good. Mama, this is not that. So sometimes we feel she should have patience in her, but Gehna is perfectly done. Thank you,
Wonderful,
ma'am.
wonderful. So, thank you so much, dear moms, for all the conversation, the chitter chatter that we had, the bubbly conversations. So wonderful. Thank you so much for being on this panel and have a happy Mother's Day. And to all the audience, also, thank you so much for staying tuned with us. Thank you so much, moms. Bye bye.
Welcome, ma'am.
Thank you,
Welcome,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Thank you,
Bye.
ma'am.
Bye. Bye-bye.
Bye, ma'am.